Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to Photo Luke Hawaii. It is Sunday, May 10th, 2020. And guess what day it is? It's Mother's Day. Just wanted to give you mothers out there a big shout out. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. We really appreciate all you. We would not be here if it weren't for all you mothers. Mom, if you're watching, happy Mother's Day. To all my sister, my cousins, my aunties, happy Mother's Day. To all of you supporters, happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much, everybody. We really appreciate all of you. These are virtual flowers for all of you. I know you folks are used to probably seeing these flowers anyways, but these virtual flowers are for you. And watch to the end of the video because we're going to take you to Kahanamoku Beach in Waikiki. We're going to sit down on the sand with you and we're going to sit there and just watch the beautiful fireworks. This is the fireworks that goes off every Friday, and they haven't had it, but you know what? I'm going to bring it back out for you folks. Virtual fireworks for you. Thank you to all you mothers. Alright, hope you folks are all having a great day. We love you folks so much. Thank you so much, mothers. Thank you. Aloha. Bye.